Hey guys, I know it's been so long, but we're back. And today we're going to be unboxing this box. I don't have a clue what's inside it, but I can see a little peek with just wrappers of dinosaurs, and I don't know what it is. So let's get to opening this.
I think it's slime. I'm gonna eat. Whoa!
What is that? Jello bins? Yeah, I told you. Dinosaurs. Wait, let's see what they're called. Gelli Play.
Gelli Worlds. Ooh.
Whoa, we have so much stuff here.
Woo!
Look at this.
Some ass. We got some ass. What looks like a music? Ooh.
Who needs the instructions?
Yeah, we don't need that.
5
minutes later.
We need the instructions.
Yeah.
Alright. So, alright, Harry.
Yeah.
Look what this says. This is so suspicious.
Which colour do you want to do?
Wow, like that would probably happen.
Which colour do you want to do?
What colour do you want to do?
Blue, because we don't want to do
blue first.
We don't want to do
So,
purple.
Harry, what?
We need some glue.
You know what? This is-
Harrison, what is that you've got?
Glue.
No, I think that's something else. I think that's what we use to put the jelly in. So we got
I'm breaking.
glitter slime bath.
We got some sand.
It is skin safe, stain free.
There he is. Here's the thing for you.
It is 100% degradable. It just washes away. You add a little bit more water to the jelly and tip it down the toilet. It's degradable. Jelly plate turns your water into goo.
I don't know.
So boys,
Yeah.
what do we want our followers to do? Give us a thumbs up,
Like and subscribe.
like and subscribe. We are going to now have a little bit of fun with our jelly play.
But just before that, introduction. Right, so guys, ready? So, while I was in quarantine, I was playing a couple of Fortnite games and I really enjoyed it. So I thought,